Hi everyone, this is Monica Singh and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying some useful Vaseline petroleum jelly hacks and DIY which are amazing for winters as well as for all season. And I'm sure you guys have tried this product once in your life, and if not, then you should definitely try this versatile product. It comes in different sizes and I have this smaller one which I'm going to use in this video. And yeah, without wasting any time, let's get quickly started with the video. Vaseline is a must-have for winters, and we can also use Vaseline on our face as a moisturizing cream. Apply it after cleansing your face and gently massage it onto your skin. Vaseline prevents dryness and gives smooth, supple feeling, and it doesn't even feel greasy. It looks super natural and it has no fragrance as well. And if you're someone who doesn't want to spend your money on those high-end moisturizing cream, then go for Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. It's a super affordable product. Vaseline is an amazing lip care product. I got this one especially for moisturizing my lips during winters. It actually works wonder for lips, guys. I use it every day. It prevents chafing and dryness on lips and keep my lips soft, supple and hydrating all day long. I would say Vaseline is a bone for winters and it's a must-have too. And yeah, go with this product without any doubt if you want to save your money. We can use Vaseline as a lotion, but personally I don't, because I have this Chotu Sa Dabba which I bought especially for my lips, as I told you guys earlier. But sometimes I use Vaseline on my hands and on my elbows areas to prevent those dryness around them. And you guys can also use Vaseline as a body lotion. It prevents your skin from dryness and keeps your skin healthy and shiny. If you have cracked and chipped heels, then apply Vaseline on it. It prevents dryness and promotes healing. And for an intensive treatment, apply a generous amount of Vaseline on your heels before bedtime and cover it with socks. It will work overnight and give you the soft moisturizing effect. Now I'm going to try some Vaseline hacks, and the first one is remove waterproof mascara with using Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. So if you're someone who loves using waterproof mascaras like me, and when it comes to remove that stubborn mascara, you feel like crying. So I'm going to try this Vaseline hack today, and let's see how does it work. Will it able to remove those stubborn mascaras? And I have just applied my mascara and it dried so quickly. You guys can see it's not even smudging. And now I'm going to use a cotton pad and scooping some Vaseline and yeah, applying it on the cotton pad. And now I'm going to wipe away the mascara with the help of cotton pad. And you guys can also massage your eyelashes with Vaseline, but I did that, and you guys can see this hack actually works. I mean, it took less than 10 seconds to remove my waterproof mascara. It's that quick, and I'm so happy and surprised to see the result. This is a life-saving hack, and I'm going to try this hack every single time I use mascara. और अब मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं रोने वाली जब भी मैं mascara remove करूँगी तब. So yes guys, this hack works like magic and every girl should try this hack and thanks me later. Next hack is a mascara hack. Vaseline is not only for removing mascara, but you can also use Vaseline as a mascara. I'm using an old mascara wand and then start lifting my eyelashes with the help of the wand, and look at my lashes guys. It actually works. I mean, it lifts my eyelashes and looks so natural. This hack can be a savior for those who doesn't like using rigid waterproof mascaras. And yeah, I'm happy with the results also. I mean, yeah, it does work. I do not have that fuller lashes, so it's not actually visible on the camera. But I can feel they look so good and so natural, and every girl should try this hack. Using Vaseline as a base for perfume can help extend its longevity. Before spraying your perfume, apply a small amount of Vaseline to your pulse points like wrist, neck and behind the ears. Guys, I broke my one and only perfumes bottle during shoot. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys how you can do this hack. So once the Vaseline is applied, spray your perfume directly onto those areas. The Vaseline creates a barrier that holds the fragrance, preventing it from evaporating quickly. So try this hack and make your perfume last long. The fourth hack is a very simple beauty hack. You can use your Vaseline as a highlighter too. Just scoop a little bit of Vaseline and mix some highlighter on it, and then just apply it on your cheeks, nose and the areas that you want to highlight. And look at the glow, guys. It looks so natural and glowy. I'm not even feeling that I have applied any highlighter on my cheeks and nose. It looks that natural. And I love this hack, and this is a perfect everyday makeup hack, and every girl should try this hack. Vaseline can also remove makeup and transfer proof liquid lipstick. I am removing my lip color because I have no makeup on my base, so I'm using some Vaseline on my lips and massaging it all over my lips. And then I'm using a cotton pad and gently removing my lip color. And oh my goodness, look at the magic. It removed my lip color in just one swipe, and I'm so happy with the result. And I am also trying this hack for the first time, and I can say these type of hacks work like magic. I love this hack, and every girl should try this hack. Moving on to my last hack. So Vaseline can be effective for moisturizing nails and cuticles. First, make sure your nails and cuticles are clean and dry before applying Vaseline. I'm taking a small amount of Vaseline and gently massaging it into my nails and cuticles. Use Vaseline regularly to keep your nails and cuticles hydrated, especially in dry and cold weathers. I love this hack and definitely going to continue using Vaseline on my nails and cuticles to make them look shiny and healthy. And lastly, I'm going to use Vaseline for DIY lip scrub. Take a bowl, scoop some Vaseline and add some honey and a little bit of sugar powder. Mix it well and apply it on your lips and gently scrub your lips for 5 minutes. The paste is not so fine, but I'm trying to scrub it on my lips and it feels really greasy. But yeah, it does feel moisturizing also because it has honey and sugar powder. And now I'm just scrubbing my lips for 5 minutes. And yes, I'm done with the scrubbing. And now I'm using a wet cotton cloth to remove those residues. And I'm done with the scrub. My lips feel hydrating and soft. But honestly speaking, I did not find this DIY really helpful. But anyways, so that's all for today's video. I hope you guys found this video interesting and helpful. Then make sure you like this video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my any new videos.